Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exquisite world of ginger infused steamed chicken. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, finely dice half of that fresh young ginger. Then take the other half and cut it into delightful little chunks. Give the garlic cloves a gentle crush and slice the white part of the scallion into neat segments. Now it's chicken time. Slice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Give them a good rinse and let them drain. Add the diced young ginger to the mix and then bring in the flavor with a pinch of salt, some light soy sauce, a touch of oyster sauce, a splash of cooking wine, a hint of sugar, a sprinkle of cornstarch, and just a tad of salt-baked chicken powder. Mix it all up until everything's perfectly blended and let that chicken marinate for about an hour. Next, let's create the foundation. In the clay pot, spread out those ginger chunks, toss in the garlic cloves, and lay down the scallion segments. Now, the star of the show, our marinated chicken, goes on top. Place the pot on a steaming rack over high heat and let it steam away for 25 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the heat and let's add a final touch. Sprinkle on some freshly chopped scallions. And just like that, our mouth-watering ginger-infused steamed chicken is ready to savor. Give this recipe a try and drop me a comment about your culinary adventure. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.